Spring has sprung as the annual floods bring out the looky-loos.
Yeah, this is by far making history of being the worst. Compared to 85, 86, it wasn't near this bad. We lived out here for 22 years.
But this year, it's different.
You know, climate changes, everything enhancing. It's just part of history.
We asked an out-of-towner on her way back from the pot shop what she thought about the flooding.
You know, we see it every year that we haven't seen before, and that haven't seen before just keeps getting more and more almost like impossible to see. So you gotta kind of see it, witness the history.
I have no idea what she said either. Neither of their homes were affected, but they do know people who know people.
My husband's friend's parents lived down on the other side on the river, and they were literally canoeing yesterday.
Canoeing is, in fact, what people do on the river. Citizens residing in the floodplain are ordered to evacuate in place and advised to hammer more nails into their hammerschlagen stumps in case they float away. Now back to your regularly scheduled program.
We just got an evacuate in place order. Guess I'm gonna go check and see how bad the river is. Hey, that's no bueno. That is no bueno at all.
Whilst perusing face-to-face marketplace, one of my neighbors said the most beautiful phrase in the entirety of the English language. Free car. And my response was, give me daps. If it's free, it's for me.
Yeah.
You want the bumper?
No. But if we rip the bumper off, we'll probably find a place to grab it. What?
There you go.
I'll try it.
If it wasn't gone, it was about gone, because there's your frame right there.
Ow, ow, ow.
Today we're going to talk about defending against a very common street attack known as the bitch slap.
I wonder if that wheelbase probably will. Maybe it'll pull it right onto the trailer. If not, we'll just keep hooking onto this wheel.
Like that?
Yeah.
Let me see if I can find the trunk latch on this. We'll just fucking latch it up in the trunk. What the hell is the trunk latch on this? Trunk latch. Trunk latch. Seriously? Oh, there it is. Nothing. And when it makes it through that rust hole, we'll just hook it to another one.
Way up under there.
Oh, I'm gonna get it.
Camera fork. Watch that piece of metal.
Yep.
Break that shit off. There you go.
Camera fork.
GoPro, so he's videotaping this. He was videotaping the road down there, yeah.
We got it.
All right.
The GoPro's in case shit.
Just in case shit.
Yeah. Now I've got a YouTube channel.
Shameless plug time. If you're on a PC, look down at all the buttons, because they flash when I say like, comment, and subscribe. That way it indoctrinates you to, do stuff. Do it! Do it!
Your winch,
Feels loose.
10,000 pound, 12,000 pound capacity, my ass.
Oh yeah,
That's cooking.
not a good connection.
Ah, exactly.
That's why.
Find anything good?
No, I'm just checking. Make sure.
Well, yeah.
I'm leaving all that bait in there.
You like Sudafed? I love Sudafed.
Fucking,
I love Sudafed.
Take a little bit of that Sudafed, mix it up with some anhydrous ammonia and some red phosphorus, and whoo, man.
Smoker.
Vapor.
Oh, vapor.
She
Yeah.
he-
Oh yeah, this here's for this is for making wax or
yeah,
something.
well, he said.
Oh yeah, that's 5x distilled butane. Fuck yeah.
Yeah, I got a whole fucking shitload of that in my garage.
He'd have. He was such
Shake it.
You never know what's in
Shake
it.
it. Is there a doobie in it? There's usually a joint in it.
Yeah, free weed. Light it up.
Fire her up, raw dog.
In your car is the best place to keep that too. Half burnt. I don't want that shit. I've got real weed at the house.
I don't smoke the shit. Unless it's full of water. I don't think it is.
cleaner.
Oh, it's a cooler.
Fuck yeah.
No, she's gonna want
Leave
that.
it in there.
I'm gonna take the crap out of it.
Leave it in there.
Huh?
Leave it in there. She'll leave it.
She'll want it, won't she? She don't need it?
No.
Hey, Rick.
I think what he's saying is he doesn't want anybody coming back for any of this shit.
I'm thinking.
So, it's all garbage.
I'm watching her looking to make sure she doesn't have anything here.
Fix a flat.
Fuck yeah.
Tough stuff. Maybe we can put that in the tire. Happy birthday shit. The fuck is this? A little hat with fucking
Antlers.
antlers.
Yeah, that's a little speaker. It ain't no good no more.
I'm gonna put that on. That's for a baby.
Put it on.
That's for a baby.
Don't talk about it, not do it. Do it.
It's for a baby.
Yeah. Put it on, baby. Fuck yeah. Merry Trashmas.
Very trashy. Oh, interior.
No, him's it.
Let me see it. Does it even fucking work?
Are you interested in picking a car up in White Cloud like this?
Yeah.
Yes.
I'll call him. I'll have to get a hold of him and
Absolutely.
see
If he's got a title, even better
Sure,
yet.
yeah, we got.
Oh, look, here's a good koozie. Take that. That's nice. You don't want the kitty bowl,
No.
doggy bowl. I'll
want
fucking
that.
take that. Well, no, my cat's got nice bowls. The hell? Oh, computer cleaner?
Oh yeah, it's like goop. You stick it on your keyboard.
Yeah.
And
They use it to clean their car.
yeah.
Louvers and stuff. You want it, Rick?
No.
I'll take it.
This is
Good
it.
stuff, actually. My stuff's kind of old. You want some change? Here it comes. Couple nickels in a dime. Couple more pennies.
I don't know. It ain't working that well, Lloyd.
Oh, well, the shit that
I don't know.
the stuff that I got's kind of like that. You know what I mean?
This car's been
Here's a
underwater.
devil's tail you can pinch on yourself.
Ooh.
Double tail.
Pop the trunk.
It's got butter on you.
Does this have a pop on it?
It's the battery. We got to jump it to get the trunk open.
Rip it over.
Unless there's an emergency.
Right?
Actually, take the back seat down. Oh, the key's in it. Or does it have a keyhole?
You had a key in the ignition.
Tell me they don't have a fucking. Maybe not.
Granola bar.
No battery nuts.
Go find a granola bar.
He's eating a granola bar.
No bite.
Huh? Hell no. Been underwater. Can you pop the back seat?
That's what I'm looking for.
There you go. Is there a button to...
Yeah, there's got to be a kidnap button inside.
You would think.
Oh yeah.
You got a light?
No, don't need it. Help!
Hey, there you go. Good cable.
Oh, all kinds of cool shit back here.
This is a good car scratcher. Keep that.
Give me that. Yeah, those Fritos taste like pickles. Don't eat them.
What the fuck is this?
It's like a sun shield for your window.
Little bitty fucker like that?
Yeah, like for a side.
Oh. Oh, look, dude. There's all kinds of Fritos in here.
Like I said, they taste like pickles. They're fucking gross, dude.
Oh, they're all pickled?
No, like they're not supposed to.
Hey,
They just
weed
do.
cutting scissors.
I don't think that's gonna work. Maybe.
What is it?
It's like a JBL.
Huh? Oh, a speaker?
It's full of water. You can play some whale noises.
Mentally ill man
Hear it?
Yeah.
is spiraling
Got
out
a lot
of
of
control.
water in it, not just a little.
Dude.
Today Friday or Saturday?
I have no idea. I don't have a job.
I don't either.
There.
This does got a wide wheelbase. I don't know if it'll go on this trailer, dude.
It will on Steve's.
Yeah, it's going
If we
to
got
have to
to.
borrow Steve's because I don't think it's going to fit on this one.
Yeah, it probably won't.
Looks way. I didn't realize that wheelbase was that wide.
Yeah.
Holy crap.
Yeah, you might be able to just jump it even.
Yeah, maybe.
But if not, just get a battery.
That's actually not a bad idea. Let's see if we just got a free swamp car. Ah. Damn it. Yeah, that don't sound right. It's got a full tank of gas. Put some air in the tire and go do some burnouts at the boat landing or something. Brakes work. I'm gonna go do some burnouts if I can get out of this mud. I'm gonna have to go get the tractor and push it out of the mud. I shouldn't have parked it over here. Should have stayed on the driveway until I got air in the tires, but whatever. No! Damn it. That sucks. want to do some donuts? Your ass is gonna get wet. Alright, well I guess it's just me then. We're actually gonna let's go find a drill and let's poke a hole in the floor. Sure you don't want to go for some burnouts? Alright. I'm gonna go do some
Having to bust ass all day at the factory.
but we could burn out.
I just changed my fluid. But no, that 3.5, that'll last fucking.
Go get a tarp out of the garage, get the fuck in, let's go do some burnouts. Yeah, I'll get your tarp to sit on. Alright, drive the tractor home. I'll fall off all you, whatever. Alright. Nobody ever wants to have fun with me. I'm gonna go do burnouts.
I'll have fun with you, but we can do it fucking on the weekend.
It is the weekend. God damn, this does scoot. That's it. Tractor, what is that? Some kind of flail mower? I'm gonna have to. Huh?
Nobody wanted to do donuts?
No. This thing does an awesome brake stand, though.
Yeah. Absolutely sure you don't want to do donuts.
I'm sure. I was like, am I dropping pieces? But you're just carrying your fucking gun around.
No, yeah, I pulled it apart real quick, but I can't get it to go back together without disassembling the barrel assembly when I put it in.
What? What kind of gun is that?
It's a 1911.
1911.
Yeah, now I got a cop coming.
That's a good thing I'm on private property.
Yeah.
How's it going, sir?
Can't get a good look at the guy's face.
No.
And I don't know the truck.
No, I have not seen a black 250 like that around here. I'm on my private property. We'll wait till the popo leaves and I'll start getting sideways again.
Oh, he's getting on it.
He is getting on it.
Here I am holding a fucking 1911.
You can see all the lines on the road. You're absolutely sure you don't want to do donuts with me.
It's still good.
Oh,
Oh
got
shit,
the
this
tarp.
tarp's got holes in it.
I've done 4 miles of burnouts. Cylinder 4 misfire. Is that it? That's the only code?
There's one. Holy crap, I can't believe it went that far into the ground.
Sure did.
After going through metal and all that water. Oh, it ain't a brass solid, it's just jacketed. Jacket though.
Not even seeing the one over here.
It might have got destroyed ripping through, because look at this one.
Damn! She ain't going nowhere.